Welcome to today's video that explains the Monte Carlo model for beginners. Have you ever wondered how investment professionals predict the future? It's not magic, but it does involve a little bit of luck. Well, not exactly luck, but a powerful tool called the Monte Carlo Simulation. Imagine you're flipping a coin, trying to guess if it will land on heads or tails. Easy, right? Now, imagine you have to predict the outcome of flipping that same coin 100 times in a row. It's time for a quiz. Can you predict the exact future outcome of flipping a coin 100 times? Yes, of course. B, maybe with some superpower. C, it's impossible to be sure, but we can estimate the probability. You got it. Predicting the exact future is tough, but we can estimate the chances of something happening using probability. And that's where the Monte Carlo simulation comes in. Picture this: a fancy casino in Monte Carlo. Instead of gambling money, we're gambling virtual outcomes. We feed historical data, like stock prices or interest rates, into the simulation. Then, like rolling dice or spinning a roulette wheel, the computer randomly generates thousands of possible future scenarios based on those probabilities. By analyzing these thousands of simulations, we can see a range of potential outcomes, not just one. This helps us understand the risk involved. Time for a quiz again. Fantastic. So, the Monte Carlo simulation doesn't predict the future, but it gives us a powerful picture of what might happen, considering different possibilities. How does this apply to the real world? Investment professionals use this magic trick to price financial instruments, options, bonds, and even complex derivatives. Manage risk. Understand the potential ups and downs of an investment portfolio. Make better financial decisions by considering different scenarios. They can invest with more confidence. So remember, the Monte Carlo simulation might not predict the future, but it can be a valuable tool in making informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe and share for more interesting insights into the world of quant finance.